All right, let's get him started. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and germs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Where are we at? Are my people here? Can you hear me? Is the chat working? Mic test 1214. All the good stuff. What's going on, people? Happy Monday, happy Monday, happy Monday, happy Monday. As you guys can see, I will be in demo for a majority of the week. If you're just, let me turn this down a little bit so I can hear myself. No. If you are new here, you'll notice that we had an excellent week last week. Passed the combine, waiting to activate the funded account. So until then, I'll probably wait. I'll just wait until later on this week to activate that thing. Let's get some batting practice. Let's get some practice in. So we're about to get my 15-minute range here. I'm about to get my 15-minute range. And we just got it. So I want to mark up the high of this 15-minute candle and the low of this 15-minute candle. Now, surprisingly, my higher time frame suggests a little bit of bullish action, but my lower time frame is bearish, even on the 5-minute, which is very, not weird, but a little off-putting. I absolutely hate how this looks on the 1-minute, my SMAs. I don't even know about this right here. This is almost complete hands-off ranging conditions. So you can almost expect, like, I guess, like, hey, to hit right here, then maybe have a push on up. But I'm not going to play that. I am not going to play that. So, extra patience today here, guys. Extra patience, extra patience, extra patience. Let me make sure it's my mic and stuff working. Let me check my properties. Yes, we are good. We are good, we are good, we are good. So, yeah, guys, I'm on hands. I don't know about this. I don't know about this until my lower time frame kind of gives me some type of confirmation. Yeah, my hourly is extremely bullish. I mean, well, my hourly is bearish, actually. My hourly is bearish. My 15-minute is bullish. And my 5-minute is bearish. It doesn't really matter because I guess my 1-minute is just, price is just cutting all through my 1-minute here. So you got me on this one, guys. You got me. So the name of the game today is to wait. I'm looking at my OBS. They're saying sorry, live chat is unavailable. Trying to figure out why that is. Is anybody there? Can you guys hear me? Let me try and make sure here. I don't know why OBS is saying that. That's a bit weird. I'm assuming that people can hear me, but I'm not sure why my OBS is having an issue with chat. I'm gonna figure it out in a second, though. In fact, I got some time. Let's see. Oh, well, there we go. Never mind. Hey, appreciate that, Mo. All right, so OBS is having an issue then. That's fine. That's fine. Appreciate you, Mo. Okay, so this is almost perfect range conditions. So we may want to make another low right here, or we can respect this move origin and tap right and go right back up. So not really nothing I want to play with right now. I don't even want to practice doing something like that, but I would imagine that, you know, we kind of go back, we kind of range for a bit. Price seems a little bit confused right now, so we wait. Yeah. All right, so how did I predict that? How did I predict that? Hey, we may hit this and maybe just range right back up. So Stoic teaches that when your SMAs are kind of like cutting through price like this, kind of like a straight line, it doesn't suggest it wants to go anywhere. It's almost as if you can like just play the range at that point. So as you can see, I pointed up my first 15-minute opening range high and low. So I had a feeling, I had a hunch that we were probably not going to punch down lower. Why? The green line and more importantly the orange line, the 200, is kind of just cutting through price. So we don't know whether buyers or sellers are in control of this market, which is why I kind of predicted, hey, we could hit right here and maybe push on up a little bit. And now that we've kind of reached the top of this range right here, we may want to start moving down from right here. So not my type of market that I like to engage with. But it is nice to read price action like that. Just kind of predict what it'll do. I don't want to engage with that though. But yeah, really cutting through price here, guys. Really cutting through it. 5-minute is bearish, while my higher time frames are a bit bullish. I mean, we'll see. A 15-minute engulfing here on the 15-minute. But still nothing for me. Stay safe. Stay safe, stay safe, stay safe. We got a slight bearish confirmation, but I need to see more from price. And plus, I didn't even check news this morning, so let me do that. Do we have 10 a.m.? Most likely. No, we do not. Well, we have new home sales. We have new home sales. Nothing to sneeze at. May give us a quick little pop, little burst of energy for like a split second. Yeah, news at 10. Yeah, little minor news. Am I the only one that kind of like does the that just worries about orange and red folder and nothing else? Like for I use Forex Factory, and this is all I have. If it's not orange folder or red folder, I don't even worry about it. So like the yellow folder and the I don't know, the gray folder, I kind of like just block that out. Am I the only one that does that? Probably not. I'm assuming not. Yeah, sure. Yeah, nothing I want to engage with, guys. Nothing I want to engage with. And we may just ping pong in between these two zones right here. Nothing I want to play with. How long have I been muted? I have no idea how long I've been muted. But anyway, jeez. How long have I been muted? My goodness. Anyway, yeah, I got nothing right now, guys. I'm neutral. That's all I gotta say. I'm neutral. That's all I got. Bing, bow, 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 bow. We'll probably stay like this until news. That's all I got. Yeah, Money Glitch, I agree. Just trying to trap whoever's. I mean, if you're in a position, I don't want to call you dumb, but if you're trading this, you're better than me. If you have anything besides a range idea, then I don't know. I don't know, because I don't think you're going to get any follow through in this market right here. So just play the range, I suppose. And that's the only thing that I think you can get. If it's high, sell it. If it's low, buy it. That's all I got for right now. And watch this. You could probably see a little bit of juice from right here. Good man, Money Glitch. Good man. Oh, wait. It may prove me wrong right here. NASDAQ may prove me wrong. NASDAQ may prove me wrong. Oh, wait a minute. We might break out of this range. We might have some sentiment. Sir Seeker, what's up, dude? And or madam, but probably dude. Yeah, man. If you're just tuning in, I ain't got nothing. This is like a classic range bound market. No need to really do anything right now. We may pop above here. We may range right back down. I don't know. My SMAs are telling me that no one's really in control right now. So you could have bought right here. You could have sold in this area right here. Nothing too sexy right now. Road to payout. Yes, indeed. So oh yeah, full transparency. I will be in demo. Where's my yeah. I will be in demo for the rest of this week. Just to get those nerves out, get those glitters out, get those glitches out. So I'm gonna just trade in demo for the most of the week. Probably activate account. Maybe at the end of the week or something like that. But I want to live in demo for a second, just to get those funded account jitters out of my brain. So, hey, remember why we're doing this? Just have a little bit of fun. the more nervous you are about trading these accounts, the worse you perform, in my opinion. And for whatever reason, I performed the best in demo. So see if I could take that feeling from demo into the funded account. So yeah, trading in demo for right now, but treating it as if it's a funded account. So everything I'm gonna do in this account is gonna be the same sizing. Let me take this down. Same sizing, same trades that I would if I was in a funded account. All right, so we're getting some action here from 10 a.m. news. Looks like we've picked a direction here. So let's zoom out to see what's really going on. Bullish engulfing right there. We got highs right here. It doesn't look. These highs don't look all that convincing though. From my brain, I'm not really seeing that this is a level of liquidity. There's an equal high right here. Maybe price is kind of drawn to this right here. And so there are definitely sellers right here. Yeah, most likely sellers right here. So I'm gonna just scribble on my chart real quick. Maybe that's what we want to do, maybe not. Big flush right back down after taking this high. So I'll be honest with you guys. I would be okay with a no trade day today. I'm gonna be very honest with you. Not every damn day is a trading day. Yeah, not every day is a trading day. We got a closure above the orb here. I don't want to be long biased, but it's never a bad idea to buy NASDAQ. So you could see something like this right here. You probably could have went long somewhere down here, stop at the bottom of this candle, and see if we want to target these highs up here. But that pop up and then come right back down into the range is, I mean, it's not scaring me, but it is making me feel like, I don't know. There's a lot of I don't know right now. But and I'd rather not chase this. But it doesn't seem like a bad idea for a first trade of the day. 1 minute SMAs are kind of starting to push us back up. I'm looking for an idea so I can maybe tighten up these stops right here. So if it could punch a little bit lower, and if not, that's fine. We're in a demo account anyway. I'm just here to sharpen up my knife. Well, sharpen the axe rather. Yep, nothing so far. Nothing so far. But it looks like we're about to tag this high up here, as outlined. So I guess this right here was actually the play from that bullish engulfing. Very powerful, these 5-minute engulfings. Very powerful. So yeah, you could have saw something like this to maybe tag something like that. No harm, no foul. Yeah, at this point, having price come all the way back down to this level would be kind of, you wouldn't even want to see it. It's kind of gross. Let's see if we can fit in though. Let's see if we can fit in. 1, 2, 3. Here's another one. If you wanted to take it. Because I really think we're going to just scream to the to that high up there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So yeah, if we could sweep this 2 right here at the very least, I may entertain it even though we're extremely high. Being very careful here. I think that'll punch a little bit lower, guys. Staying patient. Staying patient, staying patient. Waiting for the trade to come to me. Once again, I think our draw is going to be this this blue line up here. But I need some type of retracement. I need some sweeps before I can attempt to get in. And it doesn't look like she's giving it to me. Days like these will really test your patience because, like, you know where price is more or less trying to head towards, but it's not really giving you an entry for your specific model. And you got to be okay with days like that. I'm talking to myself, of course, because I need to get better at days like that. Like, yeah, just because you know where price is most likely going to head to doesn't mean you can just hop in willy-nilly, right? You still got to execute the plan perfectly. So if a trade, if a trade goes by, guess what? I mean, that's going to happen. Infinite market, infinite possibilities. You're not going to catch every single trade like today. I'm just not seeing where I could have fed in. The only thing I saw was that 5-minute bullish engulfing play. Like, you could have just went long right here. But yeah, I'm kind of waiting. Kind of waiting now. Need to see some sweeps. I need to at least see this 1-2 right here get swept. Yeah, at least need to see this get swept. Yeah, I need that to get swept right there. And if not, it's okay. Trying to make it a different color so that everybody can see it. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, like right now. This may just this may just go. Unfortunate, right? It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. I didn't get filled by a tick. Yikes. Sorry about that, Suerte. It is what it is. Hey, I didn't get filled on nothing either. We have this 1-2 that's right here. I got a 1-2. I got a 3 right here, but no valid sweeps for me to kind of like get in. No Suerte today. It is what it is. This is annoying though, because we know we have an idea of where direction of where price wants to go, but we're just not getting it. I guess the most important thing is to not FOMO today. It's only Monday. Curious why you're choosing not to trade the recently passed funded account. I have no money to activate it. That's the real reason. I'm waiting till my next check to activate it. Yeah, would I probably would be in it, but yeah, I just don't have the I don't have the funds for it right now. So I get paid later on this week. Yeah, I can't just be giving money to Top Step willy-nilly, just whenever I or Top Step feels like it. I can't be doing that every single week, so. Oh yeah, no problem. And in all honesty, after seeing this, I probably would have just locked it up anyway. After missing all of this, like I probably would have locked up that account about 5 minutes ago, just to prevent tilt. Like I have a feeling that price, my dealing with my emotions, I probably would have tilted into something stupid and trade a lesser account. And I'm waiting to start a new job in September. Oh yeah. Trading these prop accounts are a wonderful opportunity, but you know what I'm saying? We can't just be giving money to them willy-nilly like that. So 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, I'm gonna switch to this right here. 1, 2, 3, right here. I kind of like that. I need some sweeps though, guys. I need some sweeps at these levels to get involved. So price is starting to look a little ugly to my eye. We got direction, but now we're really starting to slow down right here, which is making me think that okay, we're finally about to start sweeping some of these levels right here. how far it wants to come down. But we haven't hit the ultimate goal up here yet, so playing it safe. Playing it safe. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we may have our first attempt at a Model 1 right here. I can't seem to find a job. No kind of also showed that you reversed me from doing the kind of job I'm trained for. Sorry to hear that, Brando. But keep your head up there, young man. Keep your head up. A breakthrough will happen. Breakthrough will happen, I promise. Something's gonna happen. For all of us, goddammit. I mean, damn it. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Still no sweeps yet, guys. Still no sweeps yet. At least any valid sweeps to my eye. For some of you, this may be a perfect buying area. Not for me, though. Our SMAs are not very expanded, but expanded enough to where I would want to see a little bit lower. Age is just a number, Brando. It's just a number. It's about how you feel. All right, 1, 2, 3, and we're finally getting sweeps. Now the real question is how far does this want to come down? Is it just going to go 1, 2, 3, and then push it from here, or does it want this ultimate goal, the red numbers here, this 1, 2, 3, and go up from right there? Survey kind of says that we want to punch a little bit lower, but we'll see. Bearish engulfing right there. Yeah. Big punch up right there, though. Big punch up there. My goodness. 4. Let's see if we come back down and make a 5 leg, and I might entertain her. But yeah, beautiful sweep right there. And I guess this is technically a move origin. My goodness, guys. All right, let me play that. Business for a while, but they're running funny money to the crypto last bull run. I really thought we would have another big pump, but then it crashed and left me broke. Yeah, Brando. Yeah, it's quite the game we play. I got anything on a 30-second? Not really. Yeah. I don't know about this, guys. That was quite the up jump from there, but let's see if we can make a 5. Let's see if we can retest this area right here, and if it wants to jump up one more time. Get rid of some of this lipstick right here. Just waiting to see what price wants to do right here. Being very careful to not just hop in, but that was a pretty big jump right there. But I still want to see a retest of this area. And if not, that's okay. Doesn't look like we're about to get it though. Yeah. Yeah, so the only thing preventing me from getting in this trade right here is no proper 5. Like, we got a tap right here, making a 4, but I want to see a little retest in this area to pick us back up. So at this point, I'm taking any punch back down here. I'll probably take that. That's if she wants to do it. But if it closes above this 20 SMA, we might be dead. We might be dead here. Beautiful. Yeah, guys. So that might not come back. That might not come back. Hey, I'm just glad that we're able to outline it. It's a privilege to read price action. It is quite the privilege. All right, guys. So had an entry right there. It left me. No 5 test. The 5 leg is always the more high quality trade. It's all good. It does kind of suck though. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, that is on the sucky side. That is on the sucky side. Come on down and pick me up, Price. Yeah, come back and retest this area. Yeah, come back down for me. Do it quickly too. Alright, might be getting it. Nope. Bought right back up. Sheesh. As the kids would say. Sheesh. Everything is getting bought right back up, guys. Try my best not to FOMO into this, but I'm very confident that we want to punch higher here. It's just not low enough for me to entertain. So if you're in the longs, I salute you. Yeah, that just did not come down low enough. Let me take a little peek at ES. What the hell? See, how do y'all trade ES, dog? How do y'all do it? Lord have mercy, this is crazy. Anyway, I don't want to look at that anymore. Going back to NQ. Alrighty, chat. Alright, I'm expecting this to blast off now. This will probably blast off now. Or not. If I was desperate, you'd probably see something like this. See if that wants to flip back up. If you were desperate. This is the type of desperate trade that I probably would have taken in the XFA if I was trying to catch it. Still would have been alive though. If I was like, oh my god, I gotta be in it. Looks like it's working too. Alright, price getting a little silly right here. I just needed the punch line just a little bit lower. Maybe like hit this area right here. Maybe we can entertain it. That we had another big pump. Right? Been working out. I've been in the gym, Brando. Gymming it. Helps with clarity and all that other jazz. Alright, come on, Price. I'm starting to get a little annoyed now. We know you want to test this area again. We know you want to do it. All right. It doesn't have to hit the white box for me. I might go in with 3 micros or so. Let's see if it wants to push down just a little bit more. Maybe to about this area here. Do something like that. And we could take this upwards. Yep, that too. I did my early morning meditation today. Stayed in the gym for the past 3 weeks. Early morning gratitude session, breath work, all that stuff. And it really does help. Okay, all right. So looks like that pop down was the one that I was looking for. The question is, do I chase this now? The question is, do we chase this? It's about 30 seconds, so. You know what? I'm gonna let it go. Price didn't do exactly what I wanted to do, so I'm not going to chase her. I'm not going to chase her. Yeah, but that looks like that was the pop down that I was looking for. And there goes your SBS model-ish, 2-ish to kind of take this high right here. What you into for music? My music tastes are kind of all over the place. So obviously I'm a low-key hip-hop head. I like my lo-fi a lot, obviously, because I got it playing now. I got a J-pop, K-pop phase going on. I like EDM. I like dance music. Country music hasn't been sounding all that bad either lately. So my music tastes are kind of all over the place. Dag nabbit, guys. What you into for rappers? So for right now, I think even though his last album wasn't all that great, I'm a big fan of Tyler, the Creator, right now. Tyler, the Creator, Vince Staples is really nice. Who else I've been keeping an eye out for? I remember the Brockhampton days before they got disbanded. They called themselves a boy band. That was pretty nice. Eminem hasn't really been putting out music that I've been enjoying, but he's still active, so I still actively like wait and listen for it. So there's that. Who else has been dope lately? 21 Savage. I like 21. A lot of people don't, but Gold by Brockhampton is an absolute jam, man. Yeah, like those first 2 Saturation albums. Well, all of the Saturation albums actually. Saturation 1, 2, and 3 was like some really good music. Obviously, Kendrick. I've been enjoying Kendrick lately. GNX was a lot better than what I thought it was going to be. I certainly liked it better than Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers. That album kind of, it didn't. It's a good album. It just didn't, it it didn't really do what GNX did for me. So anything from Alchemist, not really. But if you give me an album to spin, you know, if you give me the best album, I'll spin it for you guys. Not on stream, obviously, but had that on repeat for a long time. Yeah, there is something the replayability from GNX is actually insane. In fact, I may play it right after the stream. It's replayable. I haven't spun a Kendrick album that much since, I want to say, Good Kid, Mad City. You could just pop it on and just like let it run. And it's just good music. It's just good music. Never liked K-Dot much before that. I feel you. He could be a little preachy. He's not for everybody. He's not for everybody. All right, guys. So it looks like that I was a dick for a tick. So yeah, I listen to a lot of White Rabbit because I have kids and don't want her to hear so many N-words. Larry June and the Alchemist are so low-key bangers. Yeah, I feel sorry for everybody that's not black. So it's like, what do you do? Like, do you say it in your head, or do you like say it out loud when nobody's looking, or when if you have a white friends, do you say it then, or like what do you do? Like, but if you're listening to with your black friends, do you not say it? Like what's going on with that? I kind of feel sorry for you guys because there's a lot of N words in like a lot of rap, but it sounds good. So it's like, what do you do, right? Well, we listen to a lot more rappers, yeah. All right, guys. So it looks like this was a perfect Model 2 right here, but it left me. Another trade that left me. I was a dick for a tick today. This is crazy. This didn't pick me up by a couple ticks. I swear, if it just punched down a little bit lower, I would have got in. But man. Stoic just said don't be a dick for a tick too, like a couple of days ago. He just said don't be a dick for a tick. Golly. Yeah, guys, that kind of sucks. Oh wow, I can't say that. Sorry. No trade here too. No trade here. This is crazy. Perfect draw, had the model, was just a dick for a tick, man. That's what happens. You could have just sized on down, maybe 3 micros, stop at this bottom right here. And if it came back up, you probably could have added, but hey, dick for a tick today. Well, that's unfortunate. It is what it is, though, guys. Anybody catch those songs? Anybody? Tell me somebody caught the longs. All right, so now I don't even know. Kyle Scrubby super underrated. His wordplay beats are fire. On the trade, he's one of the rappers that like Lil Wayne that has multiple meaning. A lot of songs really good. Yep. Now she's coming back down. But did we take this yet? Let me see. It's still intact. Still has potential here. What's going on here, boys and girls? Are you still not going to come down in this area down here? Are you really not going to do that? Are you not going to do that? I want to see you down here, NASDAQ. Come and pick me up. Oh, Lordy. All right, so she blasts off right here. She's going to go. What's this say on the 5? Big rejection on the 5, but big rejection back up on the 5. This doesn't look too bad. This doesn't look terrible. This doesn't look terrible. Doesn't look terrible. Ten's got a 1, 2, 3 situation happening right here. All right, guys. I may low risk this one.
Order filled.
I'm gonna low risk this one. Stops pretty generous. See if we want to make a new high right here. Stops very generous right here. Now keeping in mind that we are longing very high. And the original idea is like somewhere down here. So if it's looking really stupid, I will cut it. Kind of like right now. It's like a little last line in the sand right here. Yeah, this looks like this may come back down, but I'm gonna let it hit stop. I'm gonna let this one hit stop. Trying my best not to just catch this and stop out. She faked me out here, guys. She faked me out here. Decision fatigue. Decision fatigue. Decision fatigue. You gotta show some love. Some of your own daily quotes in there too. Good habit to read it every day. Yep. All right. So first loss of the day. First loss of the day after marking up 4 winning trades. That's the game. Stop loss, better entry type deal. Yeah, guys, I sort of don't like this trade anymore. Yeah, because the area that we're in like really sucks. Good grief. Wow. So we're all the way up here. Jesus. Okay. And no, that's barely a 1 to 2. Okay, risk to reward is not good here today, guys. They're going for your original 2 possibly. That's what I'm thinking too. Days like this, like we may even sweep this right here. But you know, once again, decision fatigue. Got tired of letting a winning trigger go, and of course, the time you pull the trigger is the time you get a loser, right? So I'm not liking this, so I'm gonna cut it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna cut that for $70. Let that come down a little bit more if it wants to do it. If it comes down here, I'll try it again. But knowing that this original 1-2 is what it's probably, if it comes down hard and it doesn't stop right here, it's most likely coming for this, and we can see if we get a reaction right here. So letting the purple SBS go for a second. Let me give that a shot. But come on, Price, you gotta do something here. Yeah, we gotta do something. I just realized this is not an unmitigated move origin right here too. So there is that. Price, I swear to God. All right, that's a bearish engulfing kind of sorta. So the sentiment is for it to come down a little bit. And this is sentiment. You could see a little short from right here, but I wouldn't take it. Yeah, if you wanted to play something real quick, you could see something like this right here. Real tight stop. For that to flip right back down. But for right now, we are stuck. When you get your trading locked in, will you do photography content again? I'm not too sure. I think that ship has kind of sailed for me. It was fun though. It was really fun. But yeah. I kind of see the path that I want to go in, and this is it right here. Guys, if I would have held that trade, I would be in profit. All right, guys, I'm hands off for a second. I'm hands off because technically I just let a winning trade go. Well, not winning, but yeah, I would be in profit right here. I wanted to see a punch lower. Yeah. I mean, the volume's not bad today, but it just feels like it's just moving kind of slowly. Like it's already almost 11. Also kind of getting hungry. My goodness. All right. Once again, guys, where was I at? I was right here or something, right? I was right here. I had like my stops like right here. Hey man, at least we're in demo. You want to talk about something tilting? Jesus. Wow. Anyway, guys. Anywho, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that was another SBS. That's hilarious. That is hilarious. That is hilarious. That's some funny price action right there. Alright guys, well, this is gonna run. I'm kinda tired of looking at this now. Bullish engulfing play. You could take another long right here, but man, look how far up you are. Alright, well, we were in a correct trade, guys. Just let it go because of emotions. Per usual, right? Is there any entry up here? I mean, if you wanted to see an entry, you should have gotten down. You should have held the trade right there. So, I mean, just longing all the way up here. Where would your stops be? Stops will have to be all the way down here for it to come all the way up here just for a 1 to 2. I mean, that's just a no-go. So what's that? 4 trades, guys? 4 trades we let go. Bullish engulfing down here. Missed this right here. Was in this one. Let it go. And I was thinking about getting an entry right here. So yeah, that's about 4 trades. Trying my best not to beat myself up, but Jesus Christ, Andre. Trying real hard not to beat myself up. This is the type of days that make you get another coffee. I'm usually a 1 coffee a day type of guy, but days like this, it's like, man, go ahead and make you another one.
Order filled. filled.
Good lord, I was muted that entire. I'm not doing a good job with the mute button today. I'm not doing a good job with the mute button today. But yeah. I all that talking I was doing. Anyway, y'all saw the trade. I don't think I have to explain it. But bullish engulfing play. Didn't want to see it reject at these levels. Kind of want to see a little bit more steam if we wanted to go all the way up. But not too bad there. We got rid of the one loser. The rest is at break even. I mean, this could come all the way back. We're getting across it here on the 5 minute. This may be the time where we start sweeping some levels finally. And by sweeping levels, I mean like sweeping some major levels. Like this 1-2 is kind of like unswept. We're very high. With this long right here. So if this would be nice if it tags us out right here though. And it's a perfect 1-2. 2-1, however you want to say it. So I'm gonna leave the rest of that one right there. Like the truth, I would appreciate a like. I would appreciate a subscribe too. If you like what you're seeing, I would appreciate it. If not, oh well, I understand. If anything, I'm expecting a punch lower. Let me see. Can we add? Swing right here. I don't like buying at these levels though. 1, 2, 3. Technically we could. But look how ugly price is acting though. I'd rather just wait. I don't know how hard this wants to come down. One, 2, 3, very ugly candles right here though. So that means we would have to sweep all of this in order to, good lord. What was that? Somebody bought it. Wow, somebody bought it. Somebody bought it. Somebody is buying it. I do not smoke. Surprisingly, right? But no, I do not smoke weed. Not my bag. I have enough vices, and I don't plan to make smoking one of them. In fact, let's just get out right here, guys. Or should I just take a partial? No, I'm gonna get out right here. Yeah, let's just get out right there, if it even does it. Yes, I do not partake in the devil's lettuce. No offense to people who do though. Well, let me not say that. No offense to people that do, but no, I don't. Me and the devil's lettuce don't agree. Come on, guys, keep buying it. All right, 2 weeks no weed, longest stretch in 30 years. Wow. Congratulations, Brando. Keep going. Yeah, I try not to get too much with the substances. It's just trying to do this, and you're hooked on either weed, marijuana, weed, alcohol, your drug of choice. It's just going to be too hard to meet your goals. I do think that weed is like the least of everybody's offenses, though. But I got enough. I got enough going on because this is damn near a gambling addiction, basically. I mean, some people like to argue that this isn't gambling, but there's a gambling element to it. There's a gambling element to it. Is it gambling outright? No, absolutely not. But it does have elements of it. Drinking is the worst. Yeah. I'm really good with my drinking though. Like if I had an alcohol problem, I would have been told somebody about it. But I know how to control my drink very well, and it's mostly just to control your alcohol. It's mostly just drink socially. If you're by yourself and you're at home, don't drink. If you're out and about, take one or two, call it a day there. But I know some people that really got messed up from alcoholism, and I try not to be one of those people. Okay, guys, so we're about to get a bullish engulfing here. I might just add if we can whatchamacallit, because it looks like we're just zombie rallying this. So if we can like come down to like somewhere down here, I'll think about adding another position. Alright, want to see us pop now? Did way too much of that too. Yeah, for the most part, it gets old. Like I'm 30, I'm 31. It gets real old. It gets extremely old. When you're young, it's kind of cool. The feeling is kind of nice, a little hazy, dizzying feeling. But after a while, you get tired of hangovers. You get tired of taking a whole day to recover, and God forbid if you have something to do the next day. It's like, yeah, man, I'm fine. Missed the ad right there. Kind of missed the ad right there. It's all good. Yeah, so I'm trying to get out right here. Come on, give me a 1 to 2 here. Once again, missed that ad, but hey, it is what it is. Because I feel like we should run through this. Nice little bullish engulfing right here too. SMAs are aligning perfectly. SMAs are agreeing. Very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Can we hear the order filled? Can we hear the order filled? Can you hear it? Yeah, at this point, I wanted to take this high before going a little bit lower. If anything, you could. Don't mess up my RR. Forget the RR. We're not trading for RR. We're trading the lane. All right, get me out right there. I'll take that. All right, guys. Price is struggling right here. I may just close. I might just close. This looks like she's really having some issues with this today, or trying to hit my level. And we haven't really seen buyers sellers really step in yet. And buyers are looking a little weak. It's 11:30. I'm trying to do other stuff today. Yeah, I think buyers are exhausted here. Cause this was a bullish engulfing. If we wanted to, we should have just flipped right back up. So. Don't like that. I mean, it's not slow. It's just getting to where it needs to get to pretty slow. Can buyers make one more squeeze here? All right, come on, NASDAQ. Get me out right here. Get me out right here. Get me out right here. Get me out. Take me out. Take me out. Come on, don't do this. Take me out. Take me out. Take me out, or I'll close you manually. I'll do it. I'll do it. And boom. Order filled there, guys. Order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled. Order filled, order filled, order filled. Would have been a pretty decent day. Very nice, guys. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Good recovery. Good recovery. She made us wait for it. Just gotta do this every single day. I'm gonna put a W in the chat for myself. Boom, bow. And that's gonna do it for me, man. So what did I do? 2 trades today? Show executions. Yeah, 2 trades today. Yeah, guys. So I'm about to I'm gonna let this rock for a little bit longer, but I'm about to get out of here. So hey guys, if you're still trading, don't be a degenerate. It's only Monday, plenty of time in the week, but have a nice day, guys.